Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your free space app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here and there you go down, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here and there you're looking for Sims Free Play app or just click on search, then here add Sims Free Play app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list, click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then here you search for Sims Free Play. It's going to show for you like this, you will find here if this, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.